Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for ITI graduates. So only ITI graduate can make use of it. Others can be BTech or Diploma graduate, means you can skip this video. The name of the company is NMDC. So India's largest iron ore producer, and it's a eco-friendly miner. So this is the official website of the company. When you scroll down, you can see an advertisement. I mean, you can see an running notification called employment notification for recruiting various workmen in grade posts in complex. So in order to view, means you can click here for viewing the advertisement. So once you, I will also provide the link in the description. Once you click the link, you will be directed to this PDF. So they dated on 3rd February. So you know very well, it's an Avaranda public sector company running under Government of India. They have various plant in near Jagralpur, Chhattisgarh state, etc. So now they are inviting a suitable person for following posts. So qualification is mainly ITI. So various vacancies are available, and qualification and experience they gave here, and what kind of post they gave here. If you coming under any of these, means kindly make use of it and apply for the job. So regarding the qualification also they gave clearly, and reservation post is also there. See how many post vacancies and reservation posts are there. So stipend and regarding the salary and all they gave here, just scroll down. So regarding applying, you need to apply only by online mode, and offline mode won't be accepted. So you can use this website for applying, and you can apply on or before 2nd March 2022. After that you can apply. In case of any clarification or typological error, means you can bring them to the notice. There will be a eco-friendly toll free number, so you can use the helpline between 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. on all working days. So this is the way you need to apply. So if you feel this video is useful, mode of selection. So mode of selection is written test will be kept, and physical ability test for pass for the posts of serial number whatever they gave. So kindly adhere to all the details, and written test will be for 100 marks, and second level test is physical ability test, and trade test will be of qualifying in nature. So if you feel this video is useful, means kindly share the video to ITI people, and kindly subscribe our channel by supporting and sharing the video to job seekers. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Just stay tuned with our channel Mechanical Motivator. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.